Hello, welcome everyone, welcome to this new channel. It's Brenny's Crochet. My name is Brenda, but you can call me Brenny too. Both are perfect for me. This time I am going to teach you how to crochet the winter headband step by step. This headband, it's very pretty but also very simple to make. The material that I use is worsted weight yarn, 80 grams for this size. This is going to be the adult size. A 6mm hook, a tapestry needle, measuring tape, and scissors. Also, remember, I am going to leave all the information about the materials and more in the description box that is under the title of this video. Just a little reminder, this is the adult size headband, so let's start with 18 chains for this size. Here I already have my 18 stitches, my 18 chains, so I can continue with the row number 1. For this one, I am going to skip the first 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and in the 5th chain from the hook, I am going to crochet a double crochet, just like I am showing you. In the next chain, another double crochet. In the next one, another double crochet, and I am going to continue with the same process. A double crochet in every stitch of this row. At the end of the row number 1, I am going to have 15 double crochets. This chain of 4 stitches at the beginning, this one, is going to count as my first double crochet. So let's count. 1, this one right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, I can continue with my row number 2. For this one, I'm just going to turn my work just like this without turning chain, don't worry. And we are going to start in our very first stitch right here with a single crochet right here. In the next one, with another single crochet, again another single crochet in the next one, and I am going to continue with the same process. At the end of this row number 2, I am going to have 15 single crochets. I am about to finish my row number 2, and I am here with my last stitch. So in this part, please make sure you have your 15 stitches, and once you are sure that you have your stitches correct, we can continue to the next row. For the row number 3, I am going to turn my work without turning chain. For this project, I am not using the turning chain, and nothing to worry, everything's gonna be okay. So just turn your work like I'm doing, turn your work, and then I am going to start with a single crochet in my very first stitch of this row number 3. Okay, next we are going to crochet a front post double crochet right here in this double crochet of the row number 1. I am going to pass right here, take yarn, return, and finish my front post double crochet. You just do it like I am showing you and everything's gonna be okay. So once you finish your front post double crochet in the next chain right here, I am going to crochet a single crochet. The double crochet under this single crochet is going to be free, this one. Okay, and I am going to pass to the next one here, and I am going to crochet another front post double crochet. Once I finish this one, in the next foundation chain, this one right here, I am going to crochet another single crochet. Remember, the double crochet under this single crochet is going to be free. I am going to start another front post double crochet and this one. Next, another single crochet. Next, another front post double crochet. All the double crochets that are under our single crochets are going to be free. Just remember that and keep the same process, and at the end of this row we are going to finish, or I am going to finish, with a single crochet. I am just about to finish, so right here another front post double crochet. And in this chain that is a little bit hidden, so another single crochet. Okay, so at this point you are going to have, we are going to have 15 stitches, and we are going to repeat the row number 2. For this one, we are going to start with a single crochet in our very first stitch, and we are going to continue with a single crochet in every chain of this row. At the end of the row, we are going to have 15 single crochets. Remember, this is the repetition of the row number 2. At the end of this row, remember, we are going to have 15 stitches. I am going to count just to be sure that I'm okay, and I can continue with the repetition of the row number 3. For this one, remember, in our very first stitch, we start with a single crochet and then a front post double crochet. This time it's gonna be easier because we're gonna pass our hook through the previous front post double crochet of the row number 3, so it just get easier. Once you finish your front post double crochet, in the next stitch another single crochet and another front post double crochet, just like I am showing you. And then another single crochet and another front post double crochet, and I am going to continue with the same process. You have to continue with the same process. This repetition of the row number 3, it's easier because now we know where the front post double crochets are, and well, that's all. At the end of this row, remember, we are going to have 15 stitches, and we finish in the very last stitch with a single crochet. Again, please be patient with the language. I'm just learning, but clearly practice makes better, so here I am and here. we are going to finish with a single crochet. Remember, our very last stitch of this row always is going to be a single crochet. And now we can continue with the next row. For the next one is going to be the repetition of the row number 2. Just turn your work and start working a single crochet in every single stitch of this row. At this point, you are going to keep with the repetition of the row number 2 and number 3, number 2 and number 3 over and over and over again until you have the length desired for the headband. Now, here I already have one. It's the same size, the adult size, as you can see, and I am going to use my measuring tape. So let's do it. First of all, a little reminder, your very last row of this headband needs to be the repetition of the row number 3. And the length for this one is going to be 22 inches. If you already have your 22 inches, you can continue. Just follow the video. It is very clear. You don't need more instructions. The video is clear. I am sure you're not gonna have trouble in the process. Just with the help of your tapestry needle, fold your headband, and that's all. So thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for being here. It's officially my very first video tutorial in this new channel. Welcome to It's Brenny's Crochet. Thank you so much. Feel free to tag me, to share with me your results on Instagram. I am going to leave my link on the description box. And thanks. I am going to keep practicing. I am not gonna say I'm not confident, but it's not easy to speak another language. For me, it's been a process, but I am going to keep practicing. I'm sure practice makes better, and that's all. And share content with you helps me a lot. So thanks again, and see you next time. Bye bye.